Hello, I'm Andrea Barker. I work for Lincolnshire, Caring Links on the Workforce Development team.
And I'm Debbie, and I work with Andrea.
And today we're going to be showing you how to use the Whzan Digital Health box for your remote monitoring. So within half an hour of having taken your observations for your resident, you can then do a NEWS2 score on the device. So you go to New Assessment, and as you can see on there, it says NEWS2, so we're going to click on there. All the observations that I just took for Debbie are on the screen, but also you've got added things on here for the NEWS2 assessment to assess level of consciousness. Is the person alert? Is there new confusion? What their verbal conversation is like? Pain, and whether they're unresponsive. So if I clicked new confusion, that gives a score of 3. And then I would say, is there a specific clinical concern, yes or no? So I can click for today, I'll put yes. And does the patient, it says patient on here, but does your resident breathe air or take supplementary oxygen? So if they do, you would click for oxygen, but Debbie doesn't. So once we've done that, we click continue to the results. When you go through to the results, for the purpose of this, we've given Debbie a score of 3 for her new confusion. And it's put that as a low to medium risk. It actually tells you. Then it's asking you what it is you want to do. So it will say no action required. So if there's no action, you'd click that. But it can also ask you to monitor and redo the NEWS2 later, which is appropriate for some people. Get help from a colleague, and sometimes that's what you need to get your peer-on-peer support. Make sure that you're happy with the results you've got or whether you're going to do them again. Call GP or a nurse that can come in and see the person or at least assess them. Are you going to call CAS? Or if you feel it's a very high risk, call 999. So what this is prompting you to do is to make sure that you are taking an action, even if the action is no action, you're specifying that. So now we've recorded all of Debbie's observations. They're on the device. Just to let you know, you are fine.
I'm fit and healthy.
But the key element of your remote monitoring, digital monitoring, is to know when to escalate any concerns. So the past readings are all there. There may be some of the readings are set to alert you to the fact that it's either lower or higher than it should be. But the main thing is to know when to escalate the concerns.